girl, eh? See my brother, father.
Vino, Muribanji.
Ziko mo 1 billion.
Vino, now you okay with this?
Yes, this is my girl.
Now,
I use Malawi language. Get her yesterday.
girl, I love you. You're too fine, I love you.
Mbuzi.
Vino, please, I beg. 1 minute, please, come. You see, I love you. Yes, not Mbuzi. He said, Nima Kukonda. That guy, they tell you rubbish.
Okay, not Mbuzi.
No, not Mbuzi, Nima Kukonda. See me, I like you well, like this.
That means that guy is saying me rubbish now.
Yes, that guy, they tell you like this. Please, me, I like you. I tell you like this. Take my number. Take my number. I'm still like that. Take it. Yes, that guy, they tell you rubbish. That guy. Don't mind that guy.
Who is this man?
Okay, bye-bye. Father,
yes.
what you tell him now?
That guy, you know, that guy said you Mbuzi. Too much. You Mbuzi. Yes, that guy said you Mbuzi too much.
She love me too much.
Yes, you Mbuzi. I'm a good player. Me good one. Me.
Father, you hate me plenty.
Yes.
I get plenty like that.
That one. You say you too much Mbuzi.
Me Mbuzi.
Yes.
Me Mbuzi. Big Mbuzi.
No, not small.
Yes.
That a big one.
Yes.
You too much.
No, she love me too much. She love me too much.
I never show you that.
Telling you.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?